All right, so this is what it looks like to do a voiceover on Fiverr for a client. All right, this is a little short one that I got. So we're gonna check this out. I'm using Adobe Audition right now to go ahead and knock this out. And let's see what see what I can do. This was
a fight you can win.
This was a sample.
Trust me, you'll thank me later.
That's the sample I had sent them right there. And
this isn't a fight you can win. Trust me, you'll thank me later.
So they had me send them a sample to see if I was a good fit. I did 2 of the voice lines for them. They liked it. They loved it. They said, we want you to do the whole script that we got for the little thing. And so it's just about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 voice lines total. So 6 voice lines total. I'm going to go ahead and knock this out. Let's see what we got. And this Adobe Audition I got. I'm new to fucking with it. Yeah, check. Mic check. All right, let me practice. Right on time. Let me see. Right on time. I'm probably gonna hit it with that. All right. And then the next line is, I want you to be my apprentice, but with one condition. You must reach the platinum rank by milling your opponents. By milling your opponents. What is it? I don't know what milling is, but we just gonna ride with that. I'm guessing destroying or some shit. Sorry, kid. You'll probably fail. That's the next line. Sorry, kid, you'll probably fail, and I'll be forced to send you to the professor at the Tolarian Academy. Academy. Got a mouse. And then the next line, I run through them and practice them all before. Like, I have to practice all of these, and then I'll actually do a recording and see what I get. This one said the line is serious. They gave me a little voice cues at the end of each one, what it's supposed to sound like. Let's see. I would like to remain here teaching all there is about temporal laws and show you some time tricks. But unfortunately, I really have to go now. New threats are on the rise, so please keep this in mind. The safest place for you is not now. I don't know if it's supposed to be a pause right there. So I'm guessing I should pause. The safest place for you is not now. So right now is a place in this thing. So I'm gonna guess that, and I'm gonna run through these, and I'm gonna send it to him. We're gonna see what we get. All right, let's get it. Get another little sip of water. All right, cool. Make sure I got headphones right here that I sometimes use, but I don't know. I noticed that I don't always need them. But I guess it could be good, yeah. Okay, ain't no static on this line, okay. Right on time. Right on time. Magician, come with me right now. Magician, come with me right now. Magician, come with me right now. Sorry, kid. You'll probably fail and be forced to send you to... Nope. I'll try it again. Sorry, kid, but you'll probably fail. And I'll be forced to send you to the professor at the Tolarian Academy. I don't know. We'll just let that be and I'll run it back. Well done, magician. You aren't a loser after all. I would like to remain here teaching. That wasn't I didn't hit the deepness enough. All right, let's do this again. I would like to remain here teaching all there is about temporal laws. I would like to remain here, yeah. But unfortunately, I have to go now. No, what the fuck? But unfortunately, I have to go now. New threats are on the rise. I have to talk like I'm talking. I keep breaking it up. I would like to remain here teaching all there is about temporal laws and show you some time tricks. The sentence is structured fucked up. So I'm trying to find where I'm gonna put my own break in. I'm gonna just assume that one was cool. Let's see what we got. When I hear this back.
Right on time. Right on time. Magician, come with me right now. Magician, come with me right now. Magician, come with me right now.
See, the magician one was smooth.
I want you to be my apprentice, but with one condition. You must reach the platinum rank by milling your opponents.
None of this shit is doing anything that I wanted to do, bruh. Alright, so we're just gonna do amplify, dynamic processing, hard limiter, normalize. What the frick, man? Dynamic processing, do they have like a voiceover one already? Yeah, they got a voiceover one already. Fuck it, we're just gonna do that. Gonna use a default setting in Adobe Audition. I don't know how good that's gonna work out, but fuck it. I don't know, something cutting off weird in that bitch, bro. I don't really understand audio technicalities and shit, but we not gonna do that one like that. Maybe the smooth vocal shit is cooler.
I want you to be my apprentice, but with one condition. You must reach the platinum rank by milling your opponents.
I think that might be the one. I think the way... I'm gonna give them a couple options. I don't normally... I mean, I can't say I don't normally. A lot of times when I don't know, I just give the person like all the couple takes I did and be like, y'all could just select what you want out of that because I don't know. You know, I don't know. And I don't want to really waste my time going back and forth and they want to revision. If I got 3 ways that I said it, I'm going to just give you the 3 ways and you can choose whichever one you want to use, bro. Because, but I know I've seen that a lot of people don't do that. They give them just the one line and then wait for the revision because you can charge for revisions. Right now, I got 2 revisions. You get 2 free revisions, and then that's it. And then other than that, you have to pay for them. But I really be doing voiceovers in a way that you shouldn't need a revision unless I completely messed up a pronunciation or some shit like that because I give you about 3, 4, 5, maybe even 5 ways I said this shit just so I can be like, yeah, I know I completed the mission.
Right on time.
I don't know how long I was going to make this video, really. I was just trying to show y'all how I be doing this for Fiverr. I ain't been doing it that long. I've been doing it probably for this year so far. Since for 2020, I've been doing it. But my little reel on Fiverr sucks. I kind of did this not thinking that it was really going to pick up. And it started to pick up a little more. So I figure I wanted to document this journey out the gate. I actually got a video y'all see on this channel where I said I was going to start doing this. Like, this voice that I'm doing is damn near my voice anyway. You know, I just trying to like propertize, like, I don't know, not even proper, I won't even say propertize. That's a bad word. I don't like thinking that because people speak a certain way, there's proper and then not proper. I don't believe in that shit, bro, for real.
I would like to remain here teaching. That wasn't I didn't hit the deepness enough. All right, let's do this again.
You know, I said I ain't hit the deepness enough, but it actually hit kind of deep. I'm actually thrown off sometimes by how deep my voice actually comes off because in my head it sounds like I didn't get that deep, and then when I hear it back, like, damn, okay, the bass was in there, you know.
I would like to remain here teaching all there is. There we go. I would like to teach here. No. I would like to remain here teaching all there is about temporal laws. And
that first one might have been it. The first one that I actually got the full sentence out, that one might have been the one. And sometimes I usually start over, but you want to do what I figured out, right? Is that you want to do one big long ass take. All right. You don't want to stop and start the recording because then next thing you know, you at a different level, you coming in with a different energy, shit like that, right? So what I do is I just let it record one big long thing. Even if I mess up, no matter how many times I mess up, it's just one audio that I'm recording straight across, and then I edit it from there. I always save just in case my shit crash. I gotta save.
The safest place for you.
Bro, I realize my wall dirty as shit. I'm about to see the shit. I gotta clean the wall, cat. I think I got all the lines I need, and now I'm gonna just run through and silence like the little pieces that in between the takes. So that way we just got a clean audio, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just silencing all the dead spaces. So anywhere I would have took a breath while I was talking, any of the pauses inside the conversation, I clip that into silence. So there's no little crackly distortion in between when I'm saying stuff. All right, so now that I silenced all the little dead spaces in between the conversation and the space that's in between the each voice line, I'm gonna go ahead and export the audio. I always export in a high quality WAV file. That's what you get with my Fiverr. I got my Fiverr Gig. Some people charge extra to do it in a WAV file, and they do MP3 as the initial file that they give to people. I don't do that, bro. I'm not even, I don't know. I'm still experimenting. Maybe when I feel like my game is up, maybe there'll be some type of stipulation like that, but all my clients is getting straight WAV files regardless, you know, so holla at me if you need a voiceover. So yeah, so I'm about to export this out right now. Boom, bing, straight to the file. I always name the file the script that they gave me, the same name. Bing bong, boom bing, boom bang, skidda wop, ski wop, boom. That shit exported fast as fuck. Is that real? Oh, I'm giving y'all the secret codes. Kyoto, you can't see the secret codes. That's the other stuff I'm working on though. That shit work out. That shit exported fast.
Right on time. Magician, come with me right now. I want you to be my apprentice, but with one condition. You must reach the platinum rank by milling your opponents.
Alright, I don't even need to hear the rest. I know that shit came out clean. We're gonna go ahead and send it off to the customer and the client, customer, whichever one. I think I like calling them clients. Clients kind of make it sound like you a little more professional. You know what I mean? It got you a little more, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I got clients on deck. You know what I'm saying? Got you a little, you know what I mean? A little pop a collar type shit. You know what I'm saying? So let me get on here. You know what I mean? Oh, excuse me while I speak to a client. Excuse me while I deliver this to the client. I got a little custom response I already made up, and it just says deliver. It says, hi, here's your delivery. Let me know if there's any changes you would like me to make or if you would like me to do it over again. I'm here to make sure you're happy with everything, so let me know. Thank you for the opportunity to be your voice. That's what I say. And then I'll add some extra stuff in since I let him get a couple voice lines. Like for each one, I'm gonna let them know inside the delivery that I gave you a couple of voice lines for each one, and they can pick out whichever one they feel is fit. Bang, that's it. So I sent that off to the client. They're gonna get back to me, let me know either if I did a great job, give me a nice review, or they'll send me back some notes for a revision. So that's what I'm gonna wait on. I'll wait and see what they get back to me with, and we'll see what the results are of this voiceover. And for this voiceover right here, I charge $5 for up to 200 words, and then I charge $10 for broadcast rights, and I got a couple other things in the gig. One day I'll go over like my gig specimens and specimen specifics, right? So, but yeah, that's it. Let's see what we got when the client hits us back. All right, so I'm back, and it is the next day. I submitted that order to the client, and they have gotten back to me with some feedback. They didn't want any revisions. They just left me some feedback, which on Fiverr, before you see the feedback that the client gave you, you got to give them feedback. So all I did was just say it was great to work with, great project, thank you for the opportunity, and then submitted to my 5-star. I gave them 5 stars. They weren't bad to work with at all. I rarely ever give a client a bad score. I haven't ran into, well, I say rarely, but I haven't ran into it yet. So then I went ahead and checked the review. All 5s, baby, 5 stars. You know, he said, and I'll put it right down here. I'll pop it up right now. He said, the seller was very professional, lightning fast delivery, and awesome quality. 100% seal of approval. It was a pleasure to work with. Yeah, that way. That's what you get when you work with Denver voiceover, baby. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all see how it goes when it comes down to doing a voiceover on Fiverr. That one was pretty painless. It was quick. We were able to knock it out the park. And yeah, I'll show y'all some more of these. If y'all see this video, make sure you like it to let me know. If y'all want to see more of the process of doing voiceovers, more things I do, more tips and tricks to get your voice profile out there. I don't know what to call it right now. I'm freestyling off the top of the brain. But yeah, appreciate you tuning in. I see you in the next video, right? Maybe. Peace.